Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. On this week's episode, we're back out here in Lindale, Texas to give you a second look at a 2-bedroom Barndo that we're calling the Raven. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath layout. It's basically a modified Ranger, and you can see we've got black exterior sheeting, black roofing, and then all of our trim, windows, everything is going to be black. We also have a 30 by 40 shop attached to the layout, and it's got 3 large overhead doors there, a couple of exterior doors that we can use, and then we've got a gabled front porch with a lean-to back porch, and those soffits there are going to be cedar when we're all done with this thing. We're going to show you the wood framing phase now and let you guys see how this floor plan and this layout's kind of coming together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to have questions and comments from you guys in the comment area below. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can get notifications as we post content here week to week on the Barndo channel. If you're interested in purchasing floor plans like this one or any others that we have on our website or anywhere, we would love to help you with that. If you're looking for a turnkey build, a shell quote, or anything like that, we would love to show you how to make that dream home become a reality with 1845 Barndominiums. You can check out our website, 1845barndominiums.com. Give us a little bit of information about your project, and we can show you how to get that process started. So we're going to head inside for this week's episode and show you the wood framing phase of the Raven Barndo in Lindale, Texas. All right, guys. So we're going to head in the front door here. And when we walk in the front door, you're going to see the layout here is a Ranger layout. We just modified just a little bit. I'm standing at the front door, and you can see I'm standing in the living room area. We've got our kitchen area there in the back. We will have a kitchen sink under that window there, and then we'll have an island here where you can see our stub up through the concrete. That will be your kitchen island there. Just a quick look at the layout before we walk through it. We've got the master bedroom, bathroom, and closet there on the right side. You can see our access there on the back door, our access to the patio. On this side here, starting from the front, we've got bedroom number 2. We've got a closet in there with a full bathroom there as well. We're going to have our mechanical room there where you can see that platform. And then we'll have our laundry room, which gives us access over to the 30 by 40 shop, and then our pantry back there in the corner by the back door. So I'm going to take you through the master side first. So just off the living room here, we come into the master bedroom. We've got twin window there, black outside, black on the inside, vinyl windows. And as we come around, we've got a really good flow right into the master bath and closet. So on this side over here, on the outside wall, we're going to have twin vanities there, double sink vanities. And as I step in, give you a good look, we've got our closet there in the back. So good size walk-in closet right there. And we're going to have full shower here, shower only, not a combo. So we'll have that shower area there. And then we come right here and we've got enclosed toilet area there for the master. So a really good flow in here, a lot of room, not cramped at all, a lot of space to move around. And then as we come across the layout, we've got bedroom 2 over here, the same as the master. We've got a twin window there. And then as we swing around here, we've got our bathroom, full bath there, and then we've got a walk-in closet here. It's a really good sized closet for bedroom number 2. And then if we step over here, you can see in this full bath, we're going to have toilet area, and then we'll have a single vanity right here. And then swinging around, we are going to have a tub shower combo over here in bathroom number 2. And you can see we've got direct access into the laundry area and direct access from the 30 by 40 shop over there. You can step in from the shop and get directly in here to bathroom number 2. So you don't have to go all the way across the layout if you need to come in here and use the restroom or anything else. So going back out in the kitchen, I'm going to give you a panorama of the kitchen area and living area. Again, we'll have an island right here in the center of the kitchen. We'll have sink and everything there, and all of our appliances lined up there along the wall. Now the front of this one, we told you in the last video, we tried to take the front of this house and we wanted the look of that McGarvey Barndo that we built as far as the window layout and the door being centered and everything else, and I think it came out really, really nice. Now, we've got pantry here by the back door. So there's a step-in pantry, which will have shelving in there. We've got space right here for our air conditioning, or HVAC right there. And then we've got our laundry area right here. You can see we've got our plumbing coming in for our washer. We'll also have venting for our dryer, and then we'll have some storage in there as well. As everything starts to come together, you'll see that area start coming together real nice. Now we've got access here from the laundry room into our 30 by 40 shop. I'm going to go to the back here. We also have a bathroom out here. So we've got a half bath in the shop. We'll have toilet and single vanity there. And that will also be right here by our access door that goes out to our back porch. So we've got overhead door here. And then we've got, that's our pass-through door for the front side. If we look at the front of the layout, if we pan across here, you can see we've got double overhead doors on the front. So one of those doors will be used more like garage space, and then we've got our pass-through to be utilized as kind of a shop area. If we wanted to pull a boat or anything like that, or a trailer inside the shop, we could easily do that. So we've got 30 by 40 shop. We do have a half bath out here in the shop area. And you can see we've got this walled up. We've got our plywood or OSB here. That is the exterior wall of the home. That will be spray foamed on the other side of that. And then we let the homeowner decide if we want to paint that, if we want to do liner panels or anything like that. We just kind of have that discussion with the homeowner about what they want that interior wall to look like. So you can see we walk right back in the laundry room here. If we need to jump in a shower, we've got access to bathroom number 2 right there. And so this is going to take us out through the kitchen, and then we can swing around and head out through the front door. So that's going to wrap up the tour today. Again, 1,260 square foot, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, modified Ranger layout with a 30 by 40 shop attached. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour for this week. I hope you enjoyed the wood framing phase of the Raven Barndo here. Again, this is a 2 bedroom, 2 bath layout. It's basically a modified Ranger, but we've added that 30 by 40 shop / garage on the side there. It's going to turn out to be a really beautiful layout. The next time we come back here, you will see that we've got our plumbing and electrical stack out, and we've got this thing spray foamed, and you're going to, again, see how that floor plan and that layout and this build just slowly but surely starts coming together. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do that now. We would love to have your questions and comments in the comment area below. And then don't forget to ring that bell so that you can get notifications as we post content here on the Barndo channel from week to week. You can also visit our website, 1845barndominiums.com, if you're interested in purchasing floor plans, looking at turnkey quotes, a shell quote, or even a kit purchase to be shipped somewhere in the United States. We would love to talk to you about how to get the process started of making your dream home a reality with 1845barndominiums.com. I hope you enjoyed the show today. We'll see you guys again next week.